Water utilities worldwide lose an estimated 30% of freshly treated drinking water through leaks in their distribution network. Most of the loss occurs in the service pipe connecting the water main to the water meter at each property. Over the last 40 years, across millions of connections in Asia's largest cities, stainless steel service lines have been proven to dramatically reduce water loss and the number of repairs required. These robust and durable tubes help to save hundreds of millions of dollars each year. They also reduce energy use and eliminate the need for additional water supplies and processing plants. A stainless flexible service line made from stainless steel partially corrugated tubing is an effective solution for service line applications. Its installation is quick and easy, with the added benefit of being totally flexible. Procedures and equipment for tapping the main and connecting the service are standardized. The tube and fittings are also supplied to well-recognized standards. In this installation in Tokyo, a contractor is preparing the tapping saddle and valve for installation. Cleanliness is maintained throughout the installation. The installer slips the tapping saddle over the water main and inserts the second bolt through the flanges. When the tapping saddle is properly positioned, he fully tightens the bolts. The installer screws an adapter onto the tapping valve. Then, he attaches the tapping machine to the adapter. The hose will remove the water after tapping the main. Each step of the installation is recorded as evidence of compliance for the Water Authority. The ductile iron main is tapped. A water sample is collected to ensure chlorine levels in the water are acceptable. An installer places the meter box onto the prepared space. With the ground prepared, the installation takes less than 20 minutes. Once tapped, the tapping valve is flushed with water to prevent dirt entering. In Tokyo, a mains core is inserted into the newly cut hole in the ductile iron pipe. This is a seal to protect the pipe from corrosion for the expected 100-year lifespan of the connection. the installer flushes the valve and cap again to remove any dirt that might have entered. A coupling is attached to the tapping valve to connect it to the stainless steel partially corrugated tube. The tube is lightweight, flexible, and easy to work with. A groove near the end of the tube improves the mechanical connection between the tube and the fitting. At the meter isolation valve, the tube is bent into the required shape and cut to length. A groove is made to improve the mechanical connection. This valve will be connected to the water meter in the future. Once the service connection is made, a pressure test is performed to ensure the installation is leak-free. In Tokyo, the tests are performed at 0.75 megapascal. After ensuring that the installation is leak-free, it is ready for the meter to be installed. To prevent dirt entering, the saddle is wrapped in plastic. Tagging the service line for identification completes the installation. Backfilling is a straightforward task. Stainless flexible service line is a robust, safe, and highly durable solution. It offers water utility companies and authorities major benefits. It's easy to install, it's cost-effective, and above all, it offers an environmentally sustainable solution that will ensure the delivery of safe water supplies for generations to come.